You compare.
This is a 9 kilowatt super powerful suction feeder. The suction power is really strong. The standing height for this should be about 1.23 or 1.25 meters, something like that. This is old rice for testing the color. Let's try to suck it up. This sound isn't very impressive.
All right, let's take a look. It's all been sucked in. Just like that.